I will just show you how my students perform, okay, in our Discord community, just to be transparent. But nevertheless, I'm not going to show you their technical analysis, but this is me showing you that they are real people, okay? Hindi yan basta sila nag-join and then mag-aabang na lang ng mga mag-aabang na lang ng mga signals and kokopya na lang sa akin ng trade. No, they themselves do the actual trading and actually they themselves do the actual technical analysis because that is what they learned from me. Okay, yun yung importante, learning, at hindi ko ginagawang tamad yung mga estudyante ko at susunod lang kung ano sinabi ko. They know what they're doing because they understand the system. Okay, yun yung importante when it comes to learning. So again, I will show you yung ating Discord community, just a brief overview on how they perform dun sa ating mentorship program. Right, so this is our Discord community, and kung makikita nyo guys, I will just read some few posts dito, and of course, what they say about their technical analysis and how they really perform well dun sa ating system. Okay, so hello po. Okay, one of our student, VIP student, hello po. Few more minutes to hit my target profit. Okay, have a good day and trade everyone. Okay, so again, another one, sharing GBP USD update, TP hit ng mga idol. Okay, bumalik pa nga sa entry point, haha. Alright, so that is coming from one of my VIP students. So again, this technical section, okay, technical analysis section ng ating Discord is just giving you more continuous learning perspective, no? Hindi lang yan basta magbabato ako dyan and then susundan lang nila. So I don't want my students to become like lazy and mag-aabang lang. That is not what true learning is. Okay, tandaan nyo, the reason kayo mag-enroll sa akin is you want to become independent in a sense na you know what you're doing at ina-apply mo yung tinuro ko. Yun yung importante. Hindi ko ginagawang mga networking agents ng mga estudyante ko na mag-invite kayo this and that. No, okay? The true purpose of the mentorship and this community is for you to become, okay, a champion trader. Okay? So again, some of the technical analysis, and tandaan nyo guys, this is them, real people, okay? Hindi yan yung mga blind followers lang na nag-join lang sa group and then nag-aabang lang ng mga signals. No, I don't make my students stupid, and I don't make my students lazy, okay? So again, let's just read some comments and some other posts from them, okay? Doing their own technical analysis, okay? So sabi dito ni Sir, okay, I will not mention the name. So TFP champion lang malakas, okay? Thank you for the compliment and thank you for the appreciation, no? So mabuti alam na natin about SM and BM, basta always 90% waiting and 10% execution, mga champion. Okay? So again, they are now being patient and improve, okay, lalo na yung kanilang discipline when it comes to their technical analysis. Yung importante, di ba? That is what true learning is it's all about. Okay? So ano pa? Okay? So again, take note, ina-apply din pala to ng mga estudyante ko saan? Sa cryptocurrency. So marami akong students na nag-trade din ng crypto, and for some people, okay, it worked for them, and of course, some other people nasa stocks and also particularly, of course, forex and other precious metals. Okay? So again, gold update, nag-materialize yung setup last May 31, 24. It's been 7 days bago na-hit yung SM2H. Before that, na-hit din muna yung BM4H prior mag-react sa SM2H. And what happened was bumalik yung price sa BM as per plan. Okay? So meaning, they know what they're doing. Okay? They understand ano yung nature na ng price and how the market moves in a certain sequence. Okay? That is what true learning is all about, sabi ko nga guys. So, yeah. This is just me sharing you. Okay? So again, I was so happy because nakita ko how the students interact with each other and they're changing like certain concepts na they're changing messages, okay, or comments from this section na again, they're really discussing about their trades. So me also, I'm just sharing also my trades dito and how it materialized. So makita nyo may mga comments dito on my setup para mas maintindihan ng mga estudyante. So, sabi ko nga guys, hindi ko ginagawang tamad yung mga estudyante, but rather, making them more increasing their, yung IQ nila sa pag-analyze. Okay? So, yeah. So, kung makita nyo, there are some results for cryptocurrency trades applying my system. Okay? So, yeah. Alright? So again, another profit for them. So again, this is not to brag, no? But this is just showing you how my students perform, okay, dito sa ating. So again, update, TP Heat, Yi. Alright? So thank you guys. Okay? So ano pa? Okay, let's just read some, okay? So, Coach, grabe, thanks. Kay GBPSD na ang forever ko. Okay? So, big shout out to her. Okay? So, babae yon if you're asking. Okay? So, again, walang pinipiling gender at walang pinipiling age itong pag-trade. Okay? Yun yung importante. Naiintindihan nila yung ginagawa nila before executing. Okay? So, again, that is, sabi ko nga, what mentorship is all about. Me providing you particular skill, knowledge na pwede nyo improve along the way na dadalhin nyo habang buhay. Okay? So, para hindi na kayo makascam, di ba? So,